Have you ever seen those consistent characters in YouTube videos or other platforms and wondered how they create them? Well, in this video, we're going to learn how to make characters like that. These characters can be used for movies, stories, or any type of creative video content. Let's dive in. To create consistent characters, the first step is to design your character. Once that's done, we'll ensure that character looks the same in every image we generate. Here's our character. We'll use this image to create consistent versions of it. Now, notice this image icon here. Click on it to upload your character image. After uploading, select this icon for character reference. Next, type your prompt to generate the consistent character. And voila! You can see that the newly generated character matches the original image perfectly. Let's try another one. There you go, a consistent character again. To ensure the best results, make sure your character's face is clear and easily visible. This helps MidJourney provide more accurate and consistent outputs. It works best with human faces or cartoonish characters, but it might not be as effective with anime-style characters. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to create consistent characters in MidJourney. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time. Goodbye.